Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, which is a reputed and prestigious medical university of India. And in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, job oriented Master of Hospital Administration MHA course will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health, Master of Hospital Administration, MSc Pulmonology, and other competitive exams for various university and institutes like Christian Medical College Vellore, Common University Entrance, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, Jipmer Pondicherry, Nimhans Bangalore, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA, MSc Pulmonology and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this information is on the basis of 2025 Allied Health Sciences Information Bulletin. Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu. Information Bulletin Allied Health Masters Courses Admission 2025, and for 2026 admissions, registration may start in February 2026. So when registration gets started, information will be given on RG Studio YouTube channel. Address is the Registrar, Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu, India. Phone number here. Phone numbers are given. Regular working hour Monday to Friday 8 AM to 5 PM, Saturday 8 AM to 12 noon. All courses and admission in our college are subject to applicable regulations by university, government, statutory bodies, National Medical Commission. Admission to CMC Vellore are through the process described in the prospectus. No fee or donation or any other payment are accepted in lieu of admissions other than with that what has been prescribed in the prospectus. The prospectus can be downloaded free from our website cmchvellore.edu. So in this video, information regarding Master of Hospital Administration program will be discussed. Applications are invited for the MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MPH, Master of Public Health Fellowships and MSc programs commencing in August 2025. So here admission program get commenced in August. So courses available: code, course, educational eligibility, entrance exam paper, number of seats, duration, fees approximate. So here name of the course is Master of Hospital Administration MHA, educational eligibility MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BNYS, BUMS, BSMS or B Biomedical Engineering, BTech Biotechnology or BSc Nursing, B Pharmacy, BPT or BBA and BHA in Hospital Administration or BSc Allied Health Sciences any or BSc Biochemistry, Microbiology, Biotechnology, Chemistry, Physics, Botany, Zoology. So these are the eligibilities for Christian Medical College Vellore Master of Hospital Administration MHA course. So candidates who have any of the given degree, they can apply for CMC Vellore MHA program. Entrance exam paper is non-science. Number of seats open category 5, minority network 5, duration 2 years. Fees approximate admission year 82,290, other year 80,350. So this is the information regarding eligibility entrance exam pattern, available number of seats, duration, fee approximate. This is admission timetable. This is according to 2025. In 2025, application get assessed on 11th of February 2025. So for 2026 admissions, registration may start in February 2026, and entrance exam date are given here. So computer based test CBT was on 12th of May 2025. So for 2026 admissions, registration may start in February 2026, and entrance exam may be in May 2026. So here step 1 is computer based test CBT, and step 2 is practical test and interview. So admissions is on the basis of 2 steps. Here general instructions are given. The bulletin may be downloaded free of cost. So information regarding the information bulletin is here. And application fee was 1200 plus a registration fee of 500 per course applied. Here the application process is given. So computer based test, step 1, there will be a computer based test. So in step 1 there will be a computer based test CBT for all the courses as detailed in the admission timetable in section 2 on the date specified at the following cities. So entrance exam is in many cities. These cities are Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, including Tirupati, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, including Dharmapuri, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Puducherry, Ranipet, Salem, Thrissur, Tiruvananthamalai, Tiruvananthapuram, Tirunelveli, Tirupatpur, Vellore, including Ranipet and Kanchipuram, Vijayawada and Villupuram. So entrance exam get conducted in many cities. The non-science group for the non-science paper for group B for MHA entrance exam, there is entrance exam pattern is non-science. So for non-science paper for group B consists of multiple choice questions of a general nature. So entrance exam pattern will be of general nature, including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability. So syllabus for the given exam is very basic science. So first subject is basic science, general knowledge second subject, current awareness third, and general ability fourth. So these 4 subjects will come in entrance exams, 90 questions. Special paper, the test so for Master of Hospital Administration, entrance exam pattern is non-science. So in non-science there will be 90 questions, and questions will be from general, include basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability. All the questions will be conducted in English. And candidates who will qualify in step 1, they will be called. The list of candidates invited for step 2 will be put on a notice board in the college and town hospital campuses CMC Vellore as per the dates in the admission table. In section 2, candidates can also access the list from the website. Further, the candidates shortlisted for step 2 will be intimated by letter sent by email. And in step 2, special test and interviews. Step 2 of the selection process includes medical checkups, special test and interview. The registration to step 2 of the selection process and a medical checkup will be held on the date mentioned in the admission timetable section 2. All candidates called for step 2 must bring a hard copy of their chest x-ray taken within the last 3 months bearing the date and name of the candidate. Candidates who are currently pregnant or if pregnancy is a possibility are exempted from the chest x-ray. So this is the information regarding merit list. So there are 2 steps for admission. First is step 1, which is a computer based test, and step 2, interview and special test. Hostel fee for master courses, approximate hostel fee in rupees. One time mess deposit 8,000. Hostel annual fee 18,000. So in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College, Vellore, Master of Hospital Administration MHA course has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams for various university and institutes like CMC, CUET, AIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, etc. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.